Welcome back, everyone. I'm going to tackle that question, what to do when you have to work around an existing color and you want to change your siding or paint your house. Stay tuned. I'm going to answer that for you. Okay, working around an existing color, probably the most difficult thing to do. So how do you tackle the problem of working around an existing color? Process is very simple if you really break it down into steps. First of all, you're going to use a color fan. That's the big book of color chips that you can get from Sherwin Williams, Benjamin Moore. You can buy one, you take it and you hold it next to the trim or the fascia or whatever color is staying on your home. You find the closest match to it, and then the fun part, you can use that color to decide what colors you want to paint your home. It can be tricky, but really it doesn't have to be difficult, and I'm going to help you learn how to do it. And let me show you how to do it. Hello, here we are. I've got my color fan and I'm going to go ahead and match it up to the existing trim that's not going to be going anywhere. In this case, it's the sliding glass door, and every window and every door is this color, including the garage door. So you're going to use your color fan, you're going to match it up, find the color, and you're going to have paint made up in this color because you're going to use that to freshen up your garage door and paint your doors, because once you have new siding on your house, you're not going to like the look of the faded doors, and it's just something you're going to want to do to make it look fresh. So having matched your trim, now to make it fade away, there's really a couple things that you can do. You're going to want to trim out around your windows and doors. We do a 6-inch trim, and we'll do it either in black or white. And you will not notice the color of this existing framework, and it virtually becomes a non-issue. As far as picking house colors around that, it's really just a matter of finding the right undertone. You go through if you want gray, for example, you're going to look for something with a brown undertone in your gray to match this trim. It sounds confusing, but that's why I'm here to help you. But that really is all there is to it, to picking a color for your home using the existing trim work. So I know I went through that rather quickly, but once again, I'm here to help you with this process. That's the steps that I use to figure out what colors to match existing trim work. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I look forward to helping you. You can reach me at my email address that's listed on this video. I hope you'll join me next week. I'm going to be discussing what's on trend and what's tried and true when it comes to home exteriors. Now remember, I appreciate you, and let's do color right. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll join me next time.
Welcome back. Thank you for joining me. I can't wait to answer my question. Interesting color. Probably the most difficult thing to do. So, and why it's important to, oh my God, I have no idea what I'm going to say. And let me show you how to do it. Thank you for watching.